Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install nodemon, right, a nodejs package, and also its users and the development environment, right? So why do I say development environment? Because nodemon is a nodejs package that helps a developer only in the development environment. So whenever we do some changes in the files in our project, nodemon detects the changes automatically and restarts our server, right, without our intervention. So I'm going to show you how it works here, right? So imagine, for example, I want to change this port here, right? So in the .env file, I change the port first and also have changed the port number in index.js. So when I execute node index.js, you see nodejs connect with MongoDB is listening to port 3000, right? So now when I change this and save it, we don't see that change here. Still our nodejs application is listening to the port 3000. Okay, so when I go take this application and execute in the browser, right? So when I change the port number, now the port number is 3000. When I change it to 5000, we see the application runs and it did not connect with our nodejs application. Okay, so even after changing the port, our application still listens on the port 3000, right? So when I run it, we are getting it. So we need some package to automatically identify our changes in the files and restart the server for us. Otherwise, it is not an easy task for us to stop the server each time and restart the server again. So now when I restart it, you're seeing the nodejs project is listening to port 5000, and when I change this port number to 5000, you'll see the application sensors the response running, right? So to handle this, we have something called nodemon. So I have already shown you, right? So I'm going to install nodemon with the command npm install nodemon, right, for the development environment only, because we don't need it in the production environment. So when I run this command, nodemon gets installed to this project with the development dependency, right? So you see the nodemon version 2.0.20 got installed as a dev dependency to a nodejs project, right? So in the package.json, at the place of scripts, we should remove this and say start, right? So the start command is going to hold a nodemon command. So the startup file is index.js. So when I save this, okay, and run npm start, you see nodemon is starting our application here, right? You see nodemon index.js and it says nodejs connect with MongoDB is listening to port 5000. Okay, so now when I go to index.js, right, and change the port number as 3000, and also in the .env file I change this to 3000. Okay, so when I run this, you see the nodemon restarts our application, restarts the server, and now it is listening to the port 3000, right? So we don't have to stop our server and restart it manually every time. Okay, so I hope this video would have helped you to know about nodemon. right? So thank you guys, we'll see the next video.